If I have one motto for my entire law firm, it is that probate sucks. 2 words. Probate bad, probate terrible, whatever negative word you want to put at the end of probate, you would probably be correct on that one. And the reason why is because probate costs money and takes time. So today I wanted to talk to you about how you can avoid probate without a trust, because normally people think of trusts as only voiding probate, but there are other ways to do so. But before I dive into that, I just want to let you know how to reach out to me. You can go to my website, www.legionlawpllc.com, go to the Contact Us page, and schedule a call with me. So with that, let's see how we can avoid probate without a trust. The short answer is that it's challenging. It's possible, but it's challenging. The long answer is going to be the rest of this video. At the end of the day, avoiding probate comes in many different forms. We have to look at every single asset that you own at the time of your passing. And we ask ourselves, is this asset a probatable asset, or is it going to auto-avoid probate? Is it going to transfer immediately upon someone's passing? Usually, if an asset does not transfer upon someone's passing, it's going to be a probatable asset. So in other words, we look at real estate, we look at your cars, we look at bank accounts, retirement accounts, we look at everything and make sure that, does it auto-transfer? Yes, great, we're going to avoid it. But if it doesn't auto-transfer, then no, we probably are going to have to go through probate. So in this circumstance, we're going to look at every asset. So real estate, you can auto-transfer it without a trust through ladybird deeds in Texas. You can do a transfer on death deed. These are very rare deeds that very few people use. I would say maybe 2% of all deeds are like this. 98% of them are not like this. So if you're in that 98% category, statistically speaking, you're most likely going to have to go through probate. Additionally, if you have bank accounts, we're going to look at beneficiary designations, and if you have one, great. Those things are going to happen no matter what. If you don't have them, we're most likely going to have to go through probate. If your cars are not already transferred to someone else, or they're not joint on the car already, then yeah, that's a concern. And so really, again, can you avoid probate without a trust? Yes, but it requires you to be very, very organized. Like one of the most organized people I've ever met in my life, which most people are not because they're busy with other things. So it is possible, yes, but every single asset that you own needs to have some kind of auto transfer that's going to happen upon your passing. And most of the time, that's not going to be entirely possible for 100% of all your assets without working with some kind of an attorney, or creating some kind of new legal structure that you don't have normally. So it is possible, yes, but normally the easiest way is just create a trust. We transfer things into the trust, and then you're done, pretty much. That's it. But there are ways that you can create deeds, you can create beneficiary designations, you can put people joint on assets, you could transfer them before you pass away, you can gift things, you can do all sorts of different legal strategies to avoid probate without that trust. My personal belief is that if you're looking for just simple, easy way to avoid probate, trusts are a great way to approach it, but I'm biased on that one. So with that, if you have any questions on how to avoid probate without getting a trust, you can email me directly, Derek, D-E-R-E-K, at legionlawpllc.com, or you can find me on my website, www.legionlawpllc.com. You can schedule a phone call directly onto my calendar, and we can chat about how to avoid probate and anything else that your heart desires. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.